Hi, Randy Curry of AMRC Internet Advertising Systems.com with another Should Ask question about web video advertising. Can you keep my videos ranked high in the search engines? The answer to that question is most definitely. AMRC's unique keyword and competition research strategies are second to none. And with our monthly maintenance program, we can help keep your search engine rankings high on many of the most popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and many others. It pays to have a web video advertising provider who is an expert at search engine optimization, doing the research and interweaving keywords throughout your domain name, titles, page descriptions, meta tags, headlines, video, and ad copy. Our call to action forms and ad copy move your visitors to take action with great offers, discounts and coupons, valuable information, and bonuses. So we can say with a resounding yes, we can definitely get and help you keep top rankings for extended periods of time. Contact us today for a free consultation to find out how we can put web video advertising to work for you. I hope this video was helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about the power of web video advertising, just go to my webpage at www.tgblogsite.com/Randy Curry/free advertising info. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.